Dogecoin fundamentally is a mintable coin that fundamentally sort of is at present exchanged at 7 cents per unit, with the market capitalization of $10,003,015,211 that certainly makes it a mid-position cryptographic money, which generally basically is very critical, which certainly is very huge. Computerized resources like Dogecoin in a real sense have currently explicitly especially turned into the point of convergence of consideration for entirely financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition, for the most part, enormous institutional financial backers who see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a pretty truly compelling sort of all things considered fence against expansion that takes a weighty cost for the worldwide economy. Or so they certainly really thought. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its genuinely sort of current standings, as well as the midterm and really long-haul cost expectation that depends on the readings of our essentially truly exclusive crypto unpredictability file in a significant way. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin most certainly fundamentally remains at 7 cents, and this essentially sort of specific computerized resource in a real sense stands firm on the 9th foothold in the worldwide digital money sort of really positioning. For prettier data, the very truly positioning of each and every digital money basically explicitly is vigorously dependent on its truly current market capitalization and cost, and generally explicitly is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to in a genuinely significant manner incredibly. Likewise, to by and large get a superior, for the most part basically handle of the market circumstance and sort of truly figure out the kind of truly broad heading of the pattern, or to by and large enlist its non-appearance, it's additionally essential to for the most part really examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in a genuinely significant manner. Yesterday, on May 12th, the cost of Dogecoin remained at 7 cents at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.90% distinction when contrasted with the lovely kind of current cost. 7 days prior, on May 6th, the Dogecoin market explicitly remained at 8 cents as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. As the outcome, the cost especially moved by 0% corresponding to its really present standing. A month prior, on April 13th, Dogecoin explicitly most certainly was valued at 8 cents, which in a real sense sort of concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period, or so they thought. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 13.99% cost move, which essentially is genuinely critical in a by and large significant manner. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization serves genuinely more as a sign of the coin's portion or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its really generally ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as a for the most part key marker to basically explicitly be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, which truly is very huge. It is determined by duplicating the kind of exceptionally complete number of coins that in every practical sense sort of are as of now available for use by the in every practical sense current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now remains at 7 cents in a truly significant manner, which especially is very huge. Considering that equation, we especially have determined the very current market capitalization of Dogecoin to in every practical sense, for the most part be at $10,003,015,211, which legitimizes its place as the 9th coin among those present on the digital money market amazingly. Yesterday, on May 12th, the market capitalization of Dogecoin for the most part remained at $10,045,361,469. Keep going week. On May 6th, the aggregate sum of exceptionally capital gave to Dogecoin in every practical sense, in a real sense was laid out at $11,193,448,335. The information from a month prior, enlisted on April 13th, by and large shows that Dogecoin in a real sense had a market capitalization of $591,085,802 in a pretty truly significant manner, or so they thought. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that entirely have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and especially in every practical sense, are either circling available or secured in designers or alternately holders for the most part truly chilly wallets. Sort of certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. The really all-out supply likewise considers any coins that in a real sense generally have been singed to keep a sound expansion rate in a quite enormous manner, which basically is very huge. It can by and large measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that for the most part sort of is public on the financial exchange, which for the most part is very huge incredibly. The especially sort of all-out supply of Dogecoin at present essentially remains at 139 330-486-384 Doge in a for the most part significant manner, which is very critical. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply fundamentally is the most normally involved commonly really metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which basically is very critical. It relates with the kind of the best guess of the fundamentally especially by and large number of coins that essentially in every practical sense are public on digital currency trades and really add to their liquidity, which in a real sense is very critical. Their volume doesn't in a real sense for the most part incorporate the coins that certainly are vested, marked in every way that really matters, savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or truly in every way that really matters, put unavailable for general use in a significant manner. The circling supply basically really is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange in a quite huge way. At this moment, the flowing stock of Dogecoin sort of is assessed at 139,330,486,384 Doge, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, the perusing of exchanging volume can generally fundamentally help one especially basically decide better passage and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the principles of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or combinations frequently entirely happen at the cost levels that basically explicitly are joined by generally kind of high volume since those very are the volumes where huge cash explicitly certainly had essentially certainly come into especially play, or so they really thought. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market especially sort of was as per the following. Over the kind of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market commonly added up to $222,761,203, which especially by and large is very critical in an extremely huge manner. Yesterday, on May 12th, the extremely normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting for the most part sort of added up to $325,584,089 in a significant manner. 7 days prior, on May 6th, the power of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $334,997,741, which generally most certainly is very huge, which especially is very critical. This information and the events on the Dogecoin diagram can fundamentally basically help you in every practical sense truly survey for yourselves the reasonably exceptionally current circumstance available, and the possibilities of the cost heading in the pretty extremely current bearing are making an inversion, which all things considered is very huge, which especially is very critical. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability list truly is our actually essentially essential instrument for making the most reliable expectations in regards to the cost of Dogecoin in 1 to 5 years time, especially kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking, or so they generally thought. It really was made by the by and large kind of in-house group of designers and market examiners and generally most certainly was utilized to test an assortment of productive exchanging and venture procedures.